Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. What is date today? 16 months 8 2021. Lesson number 1. This is from your getting ready to speak and read book. Okay, write some dictation words. Second line, you write the questions, dictation words. Number 1, I will tell you how to join the letters and how to write it. Okay, dad, standing line, curve, D. Okay, now A, D. D pronounce D. A pronounce A. D A D, dead. Okay, dead. Number 2, lad. L A D. L pronounce L. L A D, lad. Okay. Number 3, M A N. M pronounce ma. A na. Man. Man. Okay. Number 4, C A N. C pronounce ka. A na. Can. Okay. Number 5, H A T. S pronounce ha. A t. T pronounce t. A pronounce a. S pronounce ha. Hat. Number 6, M A T. M pronounce ma. A t. Mat. Okay. Number 7, N A P. N pronounce na. A p. Nap. Number 8, nap. Nap. P A N. P pronounce P. A N. Pan. Okay. Learn these dictation words and write while joining the letters in your notebook and learn it. Okay. Then you can learn reading. Okay. Read the chapter from Getting Ready book and learn these dictation words and practice to write in cursive. Okay children. Okay. Bye. Take care children.